Hi, this video I'm sharing my light and fluffy buckwheat ricotta pancakes with a touch of lemon, vanilla. They're surprisingly light and fluffy, and I'm sure they'll be a family favorite. So come with me and let's see. Hi, my name's Sue and this is Sue Marie P, and thanks for joining me today. My buckwheat ricotta pancakes are so delicious. If you make them for brunch, I'm sure your family will think that they're having brunch in a cafe. So I've got 130 grams of buckwheat flour, and I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of bicarb soda. So we're just popping that all in the bowl, and I'm giving it a whisk. So we'll just pop that to one side. So I've got my 2 egg yolks, and I'm adding in some milk. I like to use oat milk, so just half a teaspoon of vanilla. We've got 1 tub or 250 grams of ricotta cheese. If you find the ricotta is a little bit liquidy, just drain that off. Or I've just zested half a lemon, so we're adding that in as well. Then I've got 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So we'll just whisk that around until it's combined. So now we're going to add all of our dry ingredients into that mix. We don't really want to overbeat it, so I'm just going to finish that part of it off with my spatula here. So the next step is we've got our 2 egg whites. We just need to beat them until they're light and fluffy. While that's beating, did you know that buckwheat is jam-packed full of vitamins and minerals, and it's naturally gluten-free? Make sure you stick around to the end because I've got a few bonus tips on how to plate up your pancakes to make them look like you're in a cafe. Egg whites are all whipped. You've got these little peaks forming. So now we need to gently fold that into our batter here. So you just lift it up and fold it over. So now the fun part, we're ready to cook our pancakes. So I'm just adding a little bit of oil to the base. Pour 1/3 of a cup of your batter in. If you find the mix looks too thick, just add a little bit more milk and just flatten it out slightly. The texture of this batter is slightly thicker than a regular pancake. So we just need to make sure the bubbles appear, and then we'll flip it over. Looking good. So we have our ricotta pancakes cooked. So now I'm just going to decorate them so they look like you're eating at a cafe. So first step, I'm going to drizzle some maple syrup on top. If you don't have maple syrup, you can also use honey. And then we've got some fresh blueberries. Maybe a few more blueberries. And then I've got some chopped and toasted almonds that I've just drizzled in some maple syrup. And then a dusting of icing sugar. There you have it, my ricotta buckwheat pancakes, or buckwheat ricotta pancakes, all looking delicious, and I can't wait to try them. So if you like this video, you might like to click over to another video. I've got one on spelt pancakes. Click the box up here, and I've also got some buckwheat cupcakes that you might like too, and I'll put the link up there as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm going to go away and eat these now. See ya.